Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an employee account on Indeed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app. After that, click on the three lines at the top of the screen and you can see the fourth option is employers. And if you are an employer, you have to create an account. So you have to give your company's name, your company's number of employees. Does your company use an applicant tracking system? And several more information. And after you have to click on the save and continue. All right, so I do not have a I'm not an employer, I do not have a company, but if you have and you want to post jobs, then you can do that by creating here an account, and after that you can post your jobs. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.